U.S. Drought Monitor Climate Clip, April 25, 2024. For all 50 U.S. states and Puerto Rico, the U.S. Drought Monitor showed 15.14% of the area in moderate drought or worse, compared with 15.02% a week earlier. About 20.8 million people live in areas now in drought, compared with 19.8 million last week. This week, improvements occurred in drought-affected areas of the Southwest, Northern Plains, and the Midwest, while conditions deteriorated in areas of the Pacific Northwest, Eastern Plains of Colorado and Montana, Southern Plains, and the South. In the Pacific Northwest, a combination of factors led to the expansion of abnormally dry and moderate drought conditions in western portions of Oregon and Washington. In Montana, poor snowpack conditions in the northwestern and west-central part of the state led to expansion of areas of extreme drought, where some monitoring sites were reporting record or near record or low snow water equivalent levels. In the southern plains, drier than normal conditions during the past 30 to 90-day period, in addition to low stream flows, declining soil moisture, and impacts to crops, led to expansion of areas of moderate and severe drought in Oklahoma and Kansas. Conversely, wetter than normal conditions have prevailed during the past 30 to 60 days in portions of the Midwest, bringing widespread improvements across drought-affected areas of Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Michigan. Likewise, improvements were made on the map in areas of Arizona and New Mexico in response to beneficial precipitation received across much of the region since January 1st. In California, snowpack conditions moving into late April were at near normal levels, with the statewide snowpack at 97% of normal. Elsewhere in the West, below normal snow water equivalent levels have persisted in the mountain ranges of Washington, northern Idaho, Montana, and northeastern Wyoming. NDMC helps people everywhere reduce vulnerability to drought. Learn more at drought.unl.edu. The U.S. Drought Monitor is produced through a partnership between the National Drought Mitigation Center at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Visit drought-monitor.unl.edu for more.